Okay, welcome back. So we now try to do this lab. Yeah, data stream PostgreSQL replication to BigQuery. Okay, so I just learned the lab right now. So I'm trying to. Okay, so now in competition. Yeah, in this lab, normally lab, you will deploy Cloud SQL for Postgre database and import a simple data set using the gcloud command line in the UI. And you will create and start data stream and replicate data into BigQuery. Great. Yes, like I said, you can easily copy and paste command from the lab to the appropriate place. Okay. So what you will learn and you will do in this lab is to prepare the Cloud SQL for PostgreSQL instance using the using the Google Cloud console and import data into the Cloud SQL instance. Create a data stream connection profile for SQL, PostgreSQL database, and for also BigQuery destination. And create a data stream and start replication. Validate data with existing data and we change our replication. So what you have to do to have to know like prerequisite is to know the change data capture. Yes, I think that I suppose that you all know how Linux works. So let's go. So for the setup, I already have done this setup, so you can just very easily set up to do so. You can do this one, no stress. Okay, and yeah, let's try to put this command on my session. Yeah. So gcloud auto list, you will see all my accounts hidden and setup. Gcloud config is set account. So after that, let list my project. Okay, this is my project club. Okay, great. So let's go. Task 1. Create a database or application. In this session, you will prepare a Cloud SQL for PostgreSQL database or data stream. Dot create the Cloud SQL. Let's run this command. Gcloud service enable. Yeah, just to enable this SQL admin API. Yes, finish it successfully. After that, run the following command to create a Cloud SQL. This is our instance name and the IP address, the Postgres instance, database, CPU and memory, dry network, the region, and the passwords. Okay, let's go create this instance. Great, it's working. Let's wait for this. Great. Great, I think it is okay now. Done. Okay, that's fine. So let's check our progress. Yeah, great. So populate the database with a sample data. So connect to the PostgreSQL database by running the following command Cloud Shell. Connect password. We know the password say pwd. Yes, I'm connected right now. Person once connected, so run the following SQL command. we create the schema and table. This schema is a test and table, example table, and alter has to put some data inside. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, the table schemas created, table creator also, other table inside of 4 row. Okay, great. So now let's configure the database for replication. Phone command to create application and replicate slots. Okay, let's do this one. Create application test publication. Okay. Great. And after that, let's proceed to the task 2. Create the data stream resource and start application. Now that the database is ready, create the data stream connection. So let's go to the navigation menu, click on the view all product and the analytics, select data stream and enable the API. Okay, let's go. Yeah, yep. And all project analytics. Products. Yep, let me analyze this one. Yeah. All product. Oh, so we can do. Okay. Yeah, let's search for analytics you on the click on Jupyter on the analytics, select data stream. Yeah, I can just I can also put this one here and I will see where. Yep, data stream here. Data stream API. This is the right one I have. I need. So that's it. I can enable this one. Yep, like this. Say that to click enable to the data stream. So let's enable this one API. After that, create a connection profile. Create 2 connection profile, one for the PostgreSQL source and another for the BigQuery destination. Okay, yeah, that's great. So now say that in the Cloud Console, navigate to the connection profile tab and click on create profile. Okay, let go. Yeah. Connection profile. In connection profile, create a profile. So we need to create a profile. So let's create here a profile. So which profile? Set the Postgres, select pro connection profile type. Okay. Postgres, this one. Yeah, and we have to put all this information inside. So let's go. This is connection profile names, connection by tax and the region. Then and the region. Region is US West. This one, Oregon. and the connection data so IP and port and the connection create yearly. That's one. Yeah. Okay, to find the IP address of your cloud instance on the Cloud SQL. On the Cloud SQL page, locate your Postgres instance name, Postgres DB, copy IP address. Okay, username. Last one. Okay. The time username that puts this one. I will go there to search for username and database. Select passwords from no. Enter password manually. Password pwd and database. Now let's search for this one. Yeah, I will open another section. Go there in the Cloud SQL. We just search for this one, my instance SQL in the Cloud SQL. This is my instance. Yep, yeah. This is IP address, like we see private, which is the IP address. Now git say that on the class we locate the instance name I will copy the public IP address. So this is the IP address I need to. So in this one, so I have to go now to put here the IP address. Okay, great. So after all this, I don't know if data again I have to put. Yeah, I think everything's okay. Click continue. Yeah, and after that, secure your connection to your source. Okay, and for the encryption type, select none. Yep, and select the IP. Allow listening connection method and click OK. Okay. But I think it is none. Okay. Now select the IP allowing listening connection method and click OK. I didn't see this one. Where did I see this one? Yeah, we just continue. Okay. And private IP allowing. Okay, this one, I think. Okay, let's continue. Now after that, click run text to make sure the data stream can reach the database. Okay, let run test and wait for the result. After that, yeah, test passed, so that's okay. And create now. That's great. So we now go to a BigQuery connection profile in the cloud. We select, click OK. Save BigQuery connection profile type. Okay, let's do this. Let's wait. Great. So we have created a connection profile table for the PostgreSQL sequence. So let's go to a connection profile. Yep. In the connection profile, like we see here, so zero stream. Now in the Cloud Console, navigate to connection and click create profile again. So in this, let's select BigQuery for the destination. Now in BigQuery we select this name for BigQuery. Great. And the location, yes, west. So yes, west one. Great. After that, we just create, and that all. After now, we create a stream. Create the stream which connects the connection profile created above and define the configuration for the data to stream from source to destination. So in Cloud Console, navigate to a stream table and click on create stream. Okay, let's go there. Yep. Okay, great. Now we have two connections, source and destination. Okay, great. So now let's go there. Stream. Okay. In the stream, let's create a new stream here. Create a stream. That was the name test stream. And region, yes, voice one. And the source type and destination, like we create the connection profile. Source for the source, Postgre and BigQuery. Yep. And click continue. Let's yep. Define this, define and source connection. Source connection. So source connection. Yeah, like we create. Yep. It's okay. And run test, click continue. This is optional, but let us see that if it is work. Yeah, go good. Continue. And replication, test replication. Configure the source, specify replication slot name. Okay. And publication name. Okay. And select text schema test. Test. Yep. Okay. Test schema for replication. We just select the schema for replication and select the schema for replication. Continue. Yep, let's continue this one. with destination, it's BigQuery CP. BigQuery, yep. And after that, region, yep. Choose BigQuery, yeah, continue. And the region we chose here also is just was the same location region. Yeah, I think it is okay. Now, and let's set this state next limit to 0. Ocean stream of data to process stream. Okay, state net to 0 is 0 second. And they continue. Yep, I think that's all. Now everything is okay. I think everything is going to review and create the stream. Finally, validate the stream data by clicking run validation. Also, validate complete successfully, click create, and then create start. With approximately, yeah, this one enter the stream statue issue as running. Okay, so let's wait. It's okay. Yep. Yeah, didn't see this one push straight for you to easily try again. It's normal because I'm creating right now. Ah, yeah. Okay, normally I should have validate before running, but let's check. If it is not okay, we will try again. So to recreate, okay. Great. Okay, great. So let's check my progress to see that if it is okay. Because I didn't validate. It's normal. I did it test. Let's see. Normally it should be okay. I am create and start will confirm. Okay. Yeah, okay. I didn't start. I just create. Now let's wait. Starting state stream. Great. Let's see in progress. Great. So we start the stream now. The stream is started. So all the information in the stream is here. Great. Now let's proceed to the task review the data in the BigQuery. Now that the stream is running, see the data replicating into BigQuery dataset in the Cloud SQL BigQuery. Okay. Let's see BigQuery here. Done. Yep. Okay. Let's see. Example data. This is all data about this. Great. Thanks to video. Go to click done and BigQuery. Yeah. And click table. Preview this table. Okay. Let's click on this one and click on preview to see the data. May not show stream be in stream made to BigQuery. If you want to click on data run a select statement. Okay, that's great. So I might take a show to IP and previous. So There is no data to display on the previous table. You can verify data using the following command. Yep, I think that will be great. Let's do that. No data display. Let's do okay, and run this one. Let's wait for the result. As you see, it will take some time. This is the data we have now. Okay, before we create wow, so after that, task 4, sorry, run the following command. This is to check that change in the data source are replicated to BigQuery. So okay, let's reconnect the cloud shell. Let's try to connect in a PostgreSQL. Run the following command. Like I'm already connected, but I will try to, yep, to exit and reconnect again. PWD, I'm connected, so let's try to run this command. Yes, updated 7, deleted 1, insert 3. So okay, and let's run again this and see the result. Let's see the result again. Why just 4, and let's see. Yes, up to 6 now. I think it's updated. Yep, great. This is the end of the lab. So as you can see, it's not really difficult, very simple. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Let's end the lab. Great. It was a great lab, I think.